Today I'll show you how I will inflate this balloon, and then after inflating it, I'll tie it, and then the main important part, I'll show you how to untie this balloon without using any tool. No fork, no pen, nothing, just my bare hands. I have here the balloon that I'm going to use, and this is the balloon pump, and this is a normal balloon, normal latex balloon. And you can use this trick for any balloon. I'll inflate in front of the camera, and then I'll show you how to untie a balloon. But first I'll inflate the balloon using a hand balloon pump so that I can show you that there is no special trick involved in this. So first let me inflate the balloon. Now I will tie this balloon in the normal way. And you can see this balloon is tied now. So you can see this is a normal knot. I didn't leave anything loose, any space loose. It is really tight. The knot is really tight. And now I'm going to show you how we can untie this balloon. The first thing that we'll do is that we'll take this piece of the nozzle and we will try to push it in to loosen this here. This piece that we have here, this knot, we'll try to roll this over and slowly try to push this piece under that knot for the left side. And we can help doing this by holding this here. And as you can see, I don't have long nails, so I don't have any benefit of using the nails. So all we basically have to do is loosen this knot. After we have pushed it a little, we can take these two corners that we have here of the knot, the two different directions, and pull these two in the two directions. So I have this one, I am pulling this for one direction, I am pulling this for the other direction. By doing this, we'll bring this nozzle a bit closer to the knot, and through this knot we'll try to push it back. Now when we see that this nozzle is closer to the knot, we will make this small and turn it. Make it very small and turn it so that it becomes thin, and it can more easily go through this place here. Now you can see this nozzle is completely to where the knot is. And now we'll hold this nozzle like this, we will pull this knot here, and as you can see there is an opening in between. We will push this nozzle in the opening. Once it's through the opening from the other side, we'll simply pull out the nozzle and we have untied this balloon and deflated it, and now it is ready for reuse. Let me know if you did like this way. Do leave a comment if you have succeeded, and do check out all the other videos on my channel. I have many more useful ideas. Check them out.